Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Christian with Rite-Way Detailing, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. So we got some real cool things cooking on the 2018 Charger Scat Pack. So we got some items from Billet Technology. We got the throttle body cover engraved with $392. Got the washer fluid cap. This is actually a replacement cap. It's not like a cover that still shows the yellow. It's all engraved nicely. Got the power steering cap, all engraved, $392. Got the radiator cap. Got the oil fill for the dipstick, or oil dipstick, and then we got the oil cap cover. Really nice pieces. You can see everything, it's all the same color. Got a set screw tool, the Allen screw, the Allen thing that's included. So really happy with how these all came out. So we got this thing ready to go. We're gonna pop the hood right now and then show you guys installing them. Okay, so here's the 18 Scat Pack. We got it in the garage now. Everything's all wiped down. You can see we're kind of going with that red theme. We did the powered by SRT graphics on there. And then now we're going to be replacing all the caps and covers and the dipstick, everything like that. So this is all the before. So you got that ugly yellow and everything. You want to make sure all this stuff is really nice. That's why we purchased the best from Billet Technology. So let's go ahead and go through a time lapse of us installing all the caps, everything like that. So it should come out really nice. Okay, everyone, you saw the time lapse, so these are all the final results really quick so we can pull this thing out. I gotta wrap everything up and get ready for a wrap job tomorrow. But you can see the throttle body cover, engine oil dipstick cover, everything's all red anodized, all made by Billet Technology. Did a really nice job on everything. Super happy with the results, but we're gonna order a lot more stuff. We're gonna do the fuse box cover, the little PCB boxes up in there, and then a couple other things. You might switch out the catch can. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We got a lot more automotive content coming for you, going to the track, going to car shows, souping up this car, doing the CTSB. So if you liked what you saw, hit that like button, and also give us a follow and follow us on our social media. We'll put that in the description box below. Thank you guys for tuning in again, and have a blessed night.